fighting for $15 per hour minimum wage. As a caregiver like you, it is my dream. Remember, just a dream to spend quality time with my family. I work 16 hours a day, but still struggling to pay my bills. As a parent, we make sure that there's food in our table. So please, elected officials, you need to vote for us. We are the one who put you in there, and you make sure that our problem regarding the meeting both ends of our budget should be there. Make sure that our food is in the table. Let's join San Francisco, Oakland, Mountain View, and Marin County to push for $15 minimum wage per hour. On behalf of the Filipino Community Center and Migrante Northern San Mateo County, we're joining you until we gain this $15 minimum wage. Thank you.